Okay, what's going on? Hope y'all are doing good. Um, I had a few questions on this pair. Uh, Let me bring up the sister pair so that I can do top down. And so on the daily, we had USD strong, and then we have yen weak, odd week, New Zealand week, and to me, that indicated that I could probably get some. I could probably buy buy the U.S. strength and sell off the rest of the weak pairs. And so NZD/USD, as we can see, we had this range and it barely popped down, came in for a very deep pullback and just made its way down. Here we have odd USD. We have the same range, barely popped out, came in and continued down. So on the USD yen, we have this sort of a refresh here. So we have this trap buyer, and then we have our primary, we have our secondary, and so the secondary just goes right above the of this SNR, and so I was dealing with this on the 5 minute, which is the this is the trap area. This is the a range in which it I would consider the range, and this is the pop, which is the FOMO, the stop hunt, and you have the stop hunt attempting a couple times before going. The thing here is, I thought, for example, my question is, this is a stop hunt. It came back. Obviously, we don't buy just yet. We allowed it to attempt one more time, which was from here to here. Um, Around 10:30, we had crude oil inventories, and so I waited. And around 10:35, 10:33, I bought this here, and for the rest of the for the rest of 10:30 to almost 11:30, it was just ranging, and to me, it just confused me. I To me, this would have been the launch area, but it just came down a range one more time. Not sure why. If you guys could answer me that question, it would clear out my confusion, and and maybe just how to deal with this. Because usually I trade from 8 New York time to sometimes all the way until 11:15, and I'm done usually by that time. But this one, you could clearly see that it rolled over around 11:20. Um, it didn't really take off. It didn't really break anywhere until 12 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock here in this area. And at that time, I'm no longer at the screens. I just exited my trades. And but it could, as you can see, it clearly worked out in my favor. I just wasn't in the trade. Maybe just winding up my stop loss a little bit more, or let's say from here where I took my entry was around this area. Maybe just widen it a little bit more, and not sure if this approach would be better, or and just let it play out through the rest of the session. Come and check it in after maybe like lunchtime, which is usually a 1 p.m. my time. But yeah.